Alright, let's get back into it. You may have noticed that I'm using a different mic, one I've had for a little while. But, oh, what's this food? Oh, food! Yeah, I hope it's not too bad. I'm at the very least clear now. I really don't like what it does to my voice. It does make me sound a bit weird. Where was I? Oh, yes, it was this. Oh, so we're just gonna pretend like it hasn't been a very long time since the last time I uploaded anything. What do I say? Okay, I think I still have that on. Come on. Thank you. Alright. Oh. It's this place. Well, I guess this is good as time as ever to just leap a faith. Wee! Wee! Whoa! 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 Oh! 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 No! No! And there I go. Oh! I forgot you were supposed to... Yeah. Actually tried it. Oh, and I didn't even have the flower. Okay. Okay, game. Okay. Yeah, alright. Alright, yeah, okay. Oh my goodness, seriously? Come on. Still down. Yep. Well, left, the right, left, right. Come on. Alright, let's not muck it up this time. I'm gonna go nice and steadily down. Steadily. Whee! Whoa, whoa. Ow. Steadily. Steadily. Excuse me. No. Okay, we're going this. Whoa, whoa. No. Okay. Whoa. Good. Whoa. No. Whoa. Okay. This is right. Whoa. Okay, this is where I was last time. I fell all the way down here. Alright. Subterranean. Dear. Oh, no. Actually, will this stuff harm me? Oh, yes it will. Yes it will. I thought this was stuff I could... Help me! Brother! Michael, don't leave me here! Please! Michael! I'm just gonna find the next shelter. Fucking evil. Now, using advanced knowledge of the game, I should be able good. Spear. Oh, hi! Hi, I'm gonna put this down before I succumb to the thoughts. So down to the depths you go, as many others before you do, trying to avoid again and again this endless trip. Much like these tunnels and caves that amuse me so, the bones of forgotten civilizations, heaped like so many sticks. I don't know what this is sounding like to everybody else, but they dig deep or not deep enough. Fools, we were right to drill straight through them. Okay. Oh no! Oh, please tell me that I don't. Oh. Hey. Free karma. Thank you. I needed that. And now you are going to put me back here. Fantastic. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, godlike entity. Nothing else I'm forgetting. No, okay. Bounce. Ah, ciao. Thank you. Yeah, ooh, stone. That didn't make a sound. The place must be very deep. Anyways. Ooh, 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 oh, ooh, and ooh, and ooh, and oh. Oh, there's no. Oh, there's nothing else here. Okay. No. Alright, well, I already have enough to eat. Yeah. Okay. So, I'm gonna pick. No. I'm gonna pick you up, and then. Nope. Okay. I was trying to do like a backflip, and then hit it in the ground, and then maybe jump, and then, or I could just do that. Hi, Durf. Oui. Oh, and there we go. That's worse. Num num num. I don't want to. Do I bother stabbing this? I probably won't. Though, to be fair, I don't think there's a way for me to get back up here. No, there absolutely isn't. So, yeah, might as well. Might as well. I'm gonna grab this. Maybe also get me out one of these. How many spears? Okay. I'm gonna just grab me one of these. Might as well pop this. Yum. Yep, and there we go. There is it. Okay. Grab the spear too. And that didn't mean to do that. Alright. Good stuff. And now we play the you know, that kind of game. The left, right. Oh, damn it. Oh, no. I'm not gonna get stuck here and die to the rain, am I? No. Yes. Skill. Scheisse. Come on. Ooh. Whoa. Ooh. Okay, catch your breath, little guy. We got plenty of time. And go. And oh, and go. And are we being dead ass? Are we being dead ass? Are we being dead ass? Oh, we being dead ass. Okay, come on. Here we go. Thank you. Didn't even have to use the spear. Well, another leap of faith. Whee! Oh no, my stuff. No, my. Oh no. No, my stuff. My stuff. Please. Yeah, grab that. I think the other one fell down here. Don't you dare. I'd like to go. I'd like to. Please. Okay, that's it. Deploying bomb. Come. Are we being dead ass? Are we being dead ass? Oh my god, I have to do this again. Come on. I might actually just start editing my videos down like normal people. I might actually just start doing it. Yeah, saw some food. Fires, got it. Spawn, been holding on to it a little bit too long. Thank you. Oh wait, I don't need to do this. Nice. I think that'll be it. Let's be going now. Let's just do that. No. Come on. Whoop. There we go. And nice uppies. Abby. Whippy. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Way. Whoa. Whoa. You know what? I'm going. No, I'll keep going this way. Oh, I will best this little part of the game right here. Oh my god, go down! Thank you. Good lord, that would have been a disaster again. Subterranean. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. We do not touch that part of the grass. Let's go. Okay, this part shouldn't be too bad. Wait, what? Huh? I'm sorry, you want me to get over this, don't you? You want me to get over that? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to honest to God do? Oh my god, okay. I'm cutting this one. I'm actually just gonna start cutting things out. I've done so far though. To make this segment entertaining. Oh, is this the game telling me I suck? Oh boy. Give me a spear. What do you want me to do with that? Sure, I don't have to keep going this way, but there's food over here. Free food, even. Wait, do I use these things to, like, disturb the grass? Come on, I don't have all day. Type shit, brother. I must perform an experiment. See if... Oh, Christ. Come on. No. Damn you. No, I'm going this way. Oh, please don't die. Oh, thank you. Oh, hooray, hooray, hooray. No, in here, thank you. Oh. Oh, great. Thank you, game, for telling me that I suck again. Great. Well, they didn't seem too disturbed by it. No. Bad grass. I'm pretty sure this stuff will grab me as well. I didn't grab it. Come on. Thank you. Okay, so that stuff isn't too bad. Might as well eat this right now. Nice. Got more exploding grass. Whoa. Alright, subterranean. What are we looking at? Oh, aha. We're looking at this. Hi. No, I don't want you. Bugger off. Oh, okay, right. Place. Oh my god, right there. Nice. And then I'll just catch one of you guys later. I'm just gonna go in here, and we're gonna be done for the day. Thank you. Honestly, did not need to be this tough. Oh, dream sequence. Cutscene. Wow. I think that's heaven or God or something. I think it's probably heaven. Or maybe it's just something, I don't know, it's below the earth, above the earth, in a weird way, who knows. Anyways, that shall be it for now, because I do not like to make these too long. Yes, that was just pretty much just 15 minutes of me struggling, but it's still making progress. That grass is a little bit more lethal than I first anticipated, than I remember, per se. Anyways, thank you all. I'll try to upload these a little bit faster because I know it's been like a month, I think. Feels like it, at least. Anyways, bye.